What's up, UHS hardware fans? It's me, Louie, and today we're outside hooking up a 2017 Chevy Equinox with a new key using the TopDon UltraDiag professional programmer and diagnostics machine. We're going to be using a keyless factory aftermarket flip key to get this done today. Let's check it out together and see how it goes. Once you're in the vehicle with the Wi-Fi connected and a cut aftermarket keyless factory key in hand, remove the wireless VCI from the rear of the TopDon UltraDiag and connect it to the OBD port. Once your VCI beeps, locate and bind the device using the VCI manager located in the settings menu on the home screen. Now, press the plus symbol at the top right of the menu and select the VCI once it populates the list below. Then press pair and activate to continue. Once ready, return to the home menu and select IMMO, then GM, Chevrolet, Equinox, year of the vehicle, the key type, and chassis style. Now select Read Immobilizer Password ECM and Password Reading, then follow the on-screen prompt to turn the ignition on to the on position, but do not start the vehicle. Once ready, press OK. Once the code is received, copy it down and press OK to return to the previous menu. Now choose Immobilizer, CAN, then Add Key to begin. Then follow prompts to close all doors and turn the ignition to the on position before pressing OK. Next, enter the earlier PIN code and confirm. Now, after that, wait up to 12 minutes for the Immobilizer security system to unlock and then continue. While waiting for the system to unlock, go ahead and check out uhs-hardware.com to see all of our daily sales and specials going on right now. Once the wait is over, you will receive a prompt to turn off the ignition and remove the original key. Once that's complete, open and close the driver door. And insert the new key to program into the ignition and turn it to the on position. When notified, select OK to program more keys or cancel to exit the system. Now, follow the final on-screen prompts to allow safe exit of the security system. Success! Now we can test the transponder and the remote function to make sure everything works as supposed. With all the buttons working and the ignition firing, you can say this is complete. And a top-down UltraDiag. Check it out right now at uhs-hardware.com, as well as all keys from keyless factory, aftermarket keys, easy to program, easy to use, right now at uhs-hardware.com. Once again, I'm Louie, and I'm happy to have you guys here and show you what's going on. Make sure you are hooked up with our social media and that you're following us here on YouTube, that you like down below and click the notification button, click that bell so we can let you know every single time a new video comes out. And once again, have a great day. It's great having you guys here. See you later.